Gurubhyo Namaha. We finished till the 20th, no? From 21st. Shivadhuti Swarupin. Okay. Damshcha Karala Vadane Shiro Mala Vibhushane Damshcha Karala Vadane Shiro Mala Vibhushane Chamunde Mundamathane Narayani Namostute Chamunde Mundamathane Narayani Namostute Damshtra Karala Vadane Shiro Mala Vibhushane Chamunde Munda Matane Narayani Namostute Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve We have seen all these words. These are all different characters of us. We have seen it in the Shakradi Stuti. We have seen it in the Aparajita Stuti also, like Lakshmi Rupena, Lajja Rupena is Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve. Very strange, like, they are always meaning the contrasting aspect of us. They call first line Mahavidye, second line Mahavidye. Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushti Svadhe Dhruve Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute Mede Saraswati Vare Bodhi Brabhavi Bodhi Bhabravida Tamasi Babra is Babru is the name given to Krishna or Shiva. Babru, normally. Babru means the dark one. So Babru is the name given to both of them. Normally, they mean either of them. So Babravi means, here next, because of the next word Tamasi, it becomes to Shiva. Shiva has tamasic aspect. So Babravi Tamasi, it means it is Shiva. That is the Mede Saraswati Vare. See what happens, this one, whatever you are seeing now, probably at later point of time I will teach you Murti Rahasyam. So Murti Rahasyam, when you learn that, you will see the why Saraswati is now paired with Shiva here. Babravi is Tamasi, why she is paired with Shiva. So all those things you will understand much better. Whatever is. So now, as it is you learn, the aspect of that, the meaning of that, why these things come. Murti Rahasyam deals with it very elaborately. I will teach you once we get very familiar with this. Probably after she gets back, I will teach you that. So, Murti Rahasyam, Vaikruti Rahasyam, all the three Rahasyatrayam, one by one we will learn, because it is not compulsory to recite those Rahasyatrayam after the recitation of the 13 chapters. But knowing it, if you have time, say, if you want to have an elaborate Parayanam, Akhanda, I mean from morning till 5 hours, 6 hours Parayanam, then reciting Murti Rahasyam is also good. But I mean Rahasyatrayam, not only Murti Rahasyam, Rahasyatrayam is also good. These are all the things. Now you are reading the Saraswati, Babravi and Tamasi. All those things you will understand much better when you learn that. Because that is the subtler aspect of Shakti getting divided and how it all happened. Mede Saraswati Vare Bhoti Babravidamasi.
Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi. Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi.
Niyate Tvam Prasideshe.
Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe.
Narayani Namostute. I think Narayani Namostute, you can say it like that. You don't. Narayani Namostute. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Narayani Namostute. Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Narayani Namostute.
Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Narayani Namostute. Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Narayani Namostute.
We'll recite these three ones together and then we'll move on. Damshra Karala Vadane Shiro Mala Vibhushane Chamunde Munda Madhane Narayani Namostute. Lakshmi Lajje Mahavidye Shraddhe Pushtisvadhe Dhruve Maharatri Mahavidye Narayani Namostute. Mede Saraswati Vare Bhuti Babravitamasi. Niyate Tvam Prasideshe. Narayani Namostute. I think next one you can recite it with me only, because this comes in the Nanyasam, no? Sarvaswarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite Vayevyastrahino Devi Durge Devi Namostute. Sarvaswarupe Sarveshe Sarvashakti Samanvite Vayevyastrahino Devi Durge Devi Namostute. एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम्
एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम् एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम्
लोचनत्रयभूषितम्
लोचनत्रयभूषितम् लोचनत्रयभूषितम्
एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम् लोचनत्रयभूषितम्
एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम् लोचनत्रयभूषितम् एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यम् लोचनत्रयभूषितम्
पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः
पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः
कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितम् पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितम् पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितम् पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तु ते
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम्
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम् ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम्
अशेषासुरसूदनम्
अशेषासुरसूदनम् अशेषासुरसूदनम्
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनम्
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम् अशेषासुरसूदनम् ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम् अशेषासुरसूदनम्
त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्
त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते
भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनम् त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम् अशेषासुरसूदनम् त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते ज्वालाकरालमद्युग्रम् अशेषासुरसूदनम् त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीते भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते
हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि तेजांसि not तेजस्वी हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि
हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि
स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत्
स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत् स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत्
हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत्
हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत् हिनस्ति दैत्य तेजांसि स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत्
सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी
सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी
पापेभ्यो नः सुतानिव
पापेभ्यो न सुतानिव पापेभ्यो न सुतानिव
you just forgive all our sins, like how a mother will forgive a child. Sudhaniva. Like how she will forgive her kids, like that you forgive all our. Saganta paduno devi papebhyo nasudhaniva.
Saganta paduno devi papebhyo nasudhaniva. Saganta paduno devi papebhyo nasudhaniva.
Hinasti daitya tejamsi svanena puryaya jagat. Saghanta patu no devi papebhyo nasudhaniva.
Hinasti daitya tejamsi svanena puryaya jagat. Saghanta patu no devi papebhyo nasudhaniva. Hinasti daitya tejamsi svanena puryaya jagat. Saghanta patu no devi papebhyo nasudhaniva.
Asura srubvasapanka.
Asura srubvasapanka. Asura srubvasapanka.
Charchitaste karojvalah.
Charchitaste karojvalah. Charchitaste karojvalah.
Chandika's sword is smeared with blood and loose flesh. That is what he is saying. Asura Srup means blood. Vasabha is flesh. Anka is Asura Sankha. Charchitaste is besmeared, smeared with blood and flesh. Shubhaya Kadgam. It is not ordinary Kadgam. Shubhaya Kadgam. Let it protect me. Asura Srukvasapanka Charchitaste Karojvalah.
Asura srubvasapanka. Charchitaste karojvalah. Asura srubvasapanka. Charchitaste karojvalah.
Shubhaya Kadgo Bhavatu.
Shubhaya kadgo bhavatu. Shubhaya kadgo bhavatu.
Chandike Tvam Natavayam.
Chandike tvam natavayam. Chandike tvam natavayam.
Shubhaya Kadgo Bhavatu. Chandike Tvam Natavayam.
Shubhaya kadgo bhavatu. Chandike tvam natavayam. Shubhaya kadgo bhavatu. Chandike tvam natavayam.
We'll repeat these things because the chandas changes in the next line, okay? Sarvasvarupe sarveshe sarvashakti samanvite vayebhyastrahino devi durge devi namostute yetatte vadanam saumyam lochanatraya bhushitam पातु नः सर्वभीतिभ्यः कात्यायनि नमोऽस्तुते ज्वालाकरालमत्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनम् त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तुते हिनस्ति दैत्यतेजांसि स्वनेनापूर्यया जगत् सा घंटा पातु नो देवी पापेभ्यो नः सुधानिव असुराश्रुवसापङ्क चर्चितस्ते करोज्ज्वलः शुभाय खड्गो भवतु चण्डिके त्वां नधावयम्. Now the chandas changes to upajati again because they are summarizing it. So 6 verses are in that. Then it will get back to Anushtup Chandas. Actually it is small. Roganaseshanapaham tushta.
Roganaseshanapaham tushta. Roganaseshanapaham tushta.
रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान्
रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान्
रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान्
रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान्
त्वमाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां
त्वमाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वमाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां
त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां
त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां
त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति
त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति.
The meaning of it I will tell you. Tvamashritanam vipannaranam. Whoever takes refuge in your thing, you protect them. And through them you protect others. They become the people, the person to protect others. Somewhere it is only her grace comes through that person. You have to understand only that. Tvamashritanam na vipannaranam. Those people who take refuge in you. Tvamashrita, you protect. And then, hyashrayatham prayanti. They take care of others. It is like that. Those who are protected by you, they protect others. So they become the means to representative of you to be protected. That is one. Hyashrayatha. We were talking about last time that her and la and also ya, hya. Hyashrayatam. Tvamashritanam na vipannaranam. Tvamashritam na vipannaranam.
त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां
Tvamashrita hyashrayatam prayanti.
त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां
Shrayatam prayanti. Tvamashritanam na vipannaranam. Tvamashhrita hyashrayatam prayanti.
त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति.
Prayanti. Okay. Roganaseshanapaham tushta rushtatu kaman sagalanabhishtan. Tvamashrutanam na vipannaranam. Tvamashruta hyashrayatam prayanti.
रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति. रोगानशेषानपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टातु कामान् सकलानभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति.
Yetat krutam yat kadanam tvayadya.
एतत् कृतं यत् कथनं
Yetat krutam yat kadanam tvayadya. Okay. Yetat krutam yat kadanam tvayadya.
एतत् कृतं यत् कथनं त्वयाद्य एतत् कृतं यत् कथनं त्वयाद्य.
Dharma dvisham. Dvesham dharma. Who follows adharma is the asuras. So dharma dvisha are asuras. Asura, that is why Mahasurana. Okay. Dharma dvisham devi Mahasuranam.
धर्मद्विषां
Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam.
Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam. Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam.
She was first only one to do everything. Then she took lot of forms. Rupair anekair. Rupair anekair bahudhatma murti. Next line is Rupair anekair bahudhatma murti. Bahudhartha murti. Atma murti. Bahudhatma murti. Okay. Rupair anekair bahudhatma murtim.
Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim. Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim.
So you did as one, you did as many. Who else can do other than you? No? Prakaroti ka anya. Other than you, who else can do this kind of vibhavam? No? That's what they are. Rupairanekai bahudhatma murtim. Bahudatma murtim.
Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim.
Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Rupairanekai bahudhatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya. Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Vidyasu shastre. No, I have to say the full one. No? Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam. Rupairanekai bahudhatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam. Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya. Etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam. Rupairanekai bahudatma murtim. Krutvaambike tat prakaroti kanya.
Vidyasu shastreshu vivekadipesh.
Vividyasu shastreshu vivekadipesh. Vidyasu shastreshu vivekadipesh.
Deepesh. Because the next line is, something together you have to say. Vadhyeshu vakyeshu chakatvadhanya.
Vadyeshu vakyeshu chakatvadanya.
Chakatvadhanya. That's what, Vidyasu, Shastresu, all the Vidya, all kinds of knowledge. And what the Vedas, that is what the next one. Vadhyeshu vakyeshu, Veda Vakyam. So, other than you, who else knows everything? You are the embodiment of all the knowledge. What is said in the world, what is outside that you need, all those things, it is only you. That is what Vidyasu Shastreshu Viveka Deepesh Vadyeshu Vakyeshu Chakatvadhanya.
Vidyasu Shastreshu Viveka Deepesh Vadyeshu Vakyeshu Chakatvadhanya. Vidyasu Shastreshu Viveka Deepesh Vadyeshu Vakyeshu Chakatvadhanya.
Mamatva Garteti Mahandakare. That's Mamatvam, that mind. That is Andhakaram, Maha Andhakaram. It is all dark. We are all in the darkness. That is what this knowledge will bring us out of this darkness. So, Mamatva Garte Ati Mahandakare. It is not Verina Mahandakare, no. Ati Mahandakare. Mahandakare itself is very dark, very, very dark. The darkest space is mine. That you should.
Mine.
Me and here mainly they are talking about mine. Mamatvam. Mamatvam. It is all mine, no? Mamatva garteti mahandakare.
Mamatva garteti mahandakare. Mamatva garteti mahandakare.
Vibhramayatyetadadiva vishwam.
Vibhramayatyetadadiva vishwam.
I will split it. Vibhramayat etat athiva. Vibhramayati, actually, Vibhramayati etat athiva. So when you say together, Vibhramayatyetadiva, Vibhramayatyetad adiva. Vibhramayatetadiva vishwam. Wait. Vibhramayat yetat ativa vishwam. Vibhramayat yetat. You have to see, Vibhramayati, actually it comes like that. Vibhramayati yetat ativa vishwam. This is the full form is that. When you say it together, Vibhramayat yetadadiva. Say only that word.
After the ativa, not before.
No.
The
Yetat adiva. Yetat adiva.
No, there is no no. Etat adiva.
Yetat adiva. But when you are saying it, yetat adiva. Yetat adiva. Try and say it together. Don't split it. Because the practice you have to get it. You have to get it. I know with the practice it will also come. But initially when you are learning it is Vibhramayat yetat adiva. Vibhramayat yetat adiva. Vibhramayat yetat adiva. Adhiva. Tha. Last is tha. Because that sandhi comes, it comes. Yetat adhiva. Yetat adhiva. It is actually Vibhramayat. Split it like that. Vibhramayat. Yetat adhiva. So when yetat and adhiva together, when it comes, yetat dadhiva. Yetat dadhiva. No, Vibhramaya. Vibhramaya. I think individually you say, then only I'll be able to correct it. Vibhramayat yetadativa. Vibhramayat yetadativa. No, maye. Vibhramayat yetadativa. Correct. Vibhra. Solungo. Ordaran solungo. Very good. She got it. So Vibhramayatyedativa. Vishwam. Mamatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa vishwam. Mamatvagarteti mahandak. Ati mahandak. Mahatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa vishwam.
Mamatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa.
No, you are making mistakes. Say it again.
Mamatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa vishwam.
Very good. Repeat one more time.
Mamatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa vishwam.
Vidyasu shastreshu vivekadipeshvadyeshu vakyeshu chakatvadhanya. Mamatvagarteti mahandakare. Vibhramayatyedativa vishwam.
Vidyasu shastreshu vivekadipesh वाक्येषु वाक्येषु च कात्वदन्या ममत्वगर्तेति महान्धकारे विभ्रामयत्येतदतीव विश्वम् विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकदीपेषु वाक्येषु वाक्येषु च कात्वदन्या ममत्वगर्तेति महान्धकारे विभ्रामयत्येतदतीव विश्वम्.
We will say these three first because this is little difficult. I want to do very little. Roganaseshanapaham tushta rushta tu kaman sakalanabhishtan tvamashrutanam navipannaranam tvamashruta hyasrayatam prayanti etat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam रूपैरणेकैर् बहुधात्ममूर्तिं कृत्वाम्बिकेतत् प्रकरोति कान्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकदीपेषु वाद्येषु वाक्येषु च कात्वधन्या ममत्वगर्तेति महान्धकारे विभ्रामयत्येतदतीव विश्वम्. Now clear? Okay, move on. Okay. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Yatrogra, not yatyogra. Yatrogra. Yatra ugra. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Vishascha means the poisonous snakes. Ugra, very terrifying poisonous. Save me from that. That is what she said. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga.
Yatra rayotasyu balani yatra.
Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra. Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra.
Very the strong thieves who come, no, that is what from the naga as well as thieves. You say, save me, like yatra rayotasyu balani yatra.
Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra. Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra.
Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra.
Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga. Yatra rayodasyu balani yatra.
Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye.
Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye. Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye.
Davanala means forest fire. Forest fire is something like, you cannot contain. Very strong. And tatabdhi madhye means in the middle of the ocean. Abdhi madhye. Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye.
Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye. Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye.
Tatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam.
Tatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam. Tatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam.
Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye. Tatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam.
Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye. Yatra stita tvam paripasi vishvam. Davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye. तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम्.
We will repeat it. Rakshamsi yatrogravishaschcha naga yatra. Say it no together. You want me to say and then repeat it twice? Okay, no problem. Rakshamsi yatrogravishaschcha naga yatra rayodasyu balani yatra davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye tatra stitha tvam paripasi vishwam.
Rakshamsi yatra ugravishaschcha naga yatra rayodasyu balani yatra davanalo yatra tathabdi madhye tatra stitha tvam paripasi vishwam. Rakshamsi yatra ugravishaschcha naga yatra rayodasyu balani yatra davanalo yatra tathabdi madhye tatra stitha tvam paripasi vishwam.
Tatra stitha, wherever you are caught in that, she stays with you. Tatra stitha, when you are in trouble, she stays with you and she protects you. How beautiful, no? Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam.
Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam.
Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam.
Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam.
Vishveshwaritam paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam.
Vishveshwaritam
paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishveshwaritam paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti.
Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti.
Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha. Vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishwam. Vishvatmika dharayasiti vishwam. Vishveshavandhya bhavati bhavanti. Vishvashrayaye tvayi bhakti namraha.
Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter.
Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter. Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter.
That ir comes in the next line. Sorry. Okay. Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter.
Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter. Devi prasida paripalaya noribhiter.
Nityam yata suravada. Wait, I will split it. Yata sura asura. Yata asura vadada dunaiva. Nityam yata sura vadada dunaiva. I will split it and I will tell you when the meaning comes.
Is it, there's a Sandhi there.
Vada.
It is Yata Asura Vadhat
Adhunaiva Sadyah. Vadhat Adhunaiva Sadyah. Vada karke. Vadha
becomes the.
Vadhat Adhunaiva Sadyah. Nityam Yadasura Vadhat Adhunaiva Sadyah. It's split like that. So Nityam Yadasura. See, when you are saying that is the problem. First split all everything comes. First split and learn, then you can learn it together. Okay. Nityam yata suravadadu adhunaiva sadyah.
Nityam Yata Suravadad Adhunaiva Satyah.
Nityam yata suravadad
Nityam Yata Suravadad
adhunaiva sadyah.
Adhunaiva Sadyah.
Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
Nityam Yata Suravadad Adhunaiva Sadyah. Nityam Yata Suravadad Adhunaiva Sadyah.
So slowly it will come as the, when you keep practicing, it will come. Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhiter nityam yata suravadadadadunaiva sadyah.
Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhiter nityam yata suravadadunaiva sadyah.
See, now split and say only. Nityam yata suravadadadunaiva. Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
That you will get it freely. Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah. So that way you will not be making mistake. I am particular about that. So when you two da should not come, three da, because already two are there here. Three da are here together. Da, 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 du, all are there. Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
This actually it sounds good.
Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah. Nityam yata suravadad adhunaiva sadyah.
Papani sarva jagatam prashamam nayashu.
Papani sarva jagatam prashamam nayashu. Papani sarva jagatam prashamam nayashu.
Now next word. Utpada paka janitamscha mahopasargan. Utpada paka janitamscha. Make a cut there so you will note. So utpada paka janitamscha mahopasargan. Okay, split it like that. Okay. Utpada paka janitamscha mahopasargan.
Utpada paka janitamscha mahopasargan. Utpada paka janitamsha mahopasargan.
It is like even COVID, like Mahamari, when they come, she will protect. That is the reason they are saying. She brings all the papam of the Jagat Prashamam. She brings some kind of, we see, when something goes up, she brings it down. So everything is in equilibrium all the time. When our ego goes up, we have a very bad fall and we comes to the ground. We always are grounded. No, we have to stay grounded. No, that is what it is. Okay. Devi prasida paripalaya nori bhiter nityam yata shuravadad adhunaiva sadyah papani sarva jagatam prashamam nayashu उत्पादपाकजनितांश्च महोपसर्गान्
देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिभीते नित्यं यथा सुरवधादधुनैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रशमं न याशु उत्पातपाकजनितांशमहोपसर्गान् देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिभीते नित्यं यथा सुरवधादधुनैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रशमं न याशु उत्पातपाकजनितांशमहोपसर्गान्.
If I split and tell, you people are quite good.
Yes.
No?
Without
If I split,
go all over the
otherwise it becomes very difficult. Say
Becomes like secretary.
That's a good one.
Very good.
We will recite as three. Rakshamsi yatrogra vishascha naga yatrarayo tasyu balani yatra davanalo yatra tatabdhi madhye tatra sthitatam paripasi vishvam vishveshwari tvam paripasi vishvam विश्वात्मिका धारयसेति विश्वम् विश्वेशवन्द्या भवति भवन्ति विश्वाश्रया ये त्वयि भक्तिनम्राः देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिभीते नित्यं यथा सुरवदात् अधुनैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रशमं न याशु उत्पादपाकजनितांश्च महोपसर्गान्. Now we are switching over to our favorite Anushtup Chandas, so it is easy now. See, we will finish up to 39.
40.
The 40 is nothing. 39 we will finish. Devi Vacha, we will leave it like that because that is a one set we will have. Okay. Pranatanam prasidatvam.
Pranatanam prasidatvam. Pranatanam prasidatvam.
Devi Vishvartiharini.
Devi Vishvartiharini. Devi Vishvartiharini.
Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini.
Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini. Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini.
Trailokya Vasinam Midhye.
Trailokyavasinamidye. Trailokyavasinamidye.
Lokanam Varada Bhava.
Lokanam Varada Bhava. Lokanam Varada Bhava.
So when the praise is long, what is avoided is the asking for some boons. We keep always asking. Trailokya Vasinamidhye Lokanam Varada Bhava.
Trailokyavasinamidye. Lokanam Varada Bhava. Trailokyavasinamidye. Lokanam Varada Bhava.
Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini. Trailokya Vasinamidhye Lokanam Varada Bhava.
Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini. Trailokyavasinamidye. Lokanam Varada Bhava. Pranatanam prasidatvam. Devi Vishvartiharini. Trailokyavasinamidye. Lokanam Varada Bhava.
She's asking, ask whatever you want for the sake of this world. So, Jagatam Upakaraka. If it is going to be useful to the entire world, I will give all the boons. Devyuvacha Varadaham Suragana Varam Yanmanasechatha Varadaham Suragana Varam Yanmanasechatha Tam vrunudvam prayachami Jagatamupakarakam Tam vrunudvam prayachami Jagatamupakarakam Varadaham Suragana Varam Yanmanasechatha Tam vrunudvam prayachami Jagatamupakarakam Devaujuhu Sarva Badha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Kileshwari Sarva Badha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Kileshwari Evameva Tvaya Karyam There's only one job you need to do. Asmad Vairi Vinashanam My enemies you should kill. No, they are all asking Devi. Deva Uchuhu means all the celestials are asking. Devi first says. First, all the Deva only all praising her, no? Deva we saw till now. Pranatanam, Prasiddhatvam. Till that time Devas were, they were asking like, some varam you give us. And we have praised you this long. So you have to give us some boon you have to give us. Devi says, I will give you the boon if it is going to be good for everybody. Jagatam upakara.
That is Devi.
Devi says like that. Devi replies. Then immediately Devas, all the Devas together. Deva Uchuhu means plural. All the Devas together, they are saying her, you remove all the negative things, you bring it to prashamanam. Everything you bring it to equilibrium, and mainly one work you have to do it. Asmat Vairi Vinashana. My enemies should be killed. Our enemies should be killed. The thing is, what they are saying is, Devas here means people who follow the dharma. So dharma, people who follow the dharma are all Devas. Whether they are here or whether they are there anywhere, they are all Devas. If you don't follow the dharma, if you follow adharma ways of life, then you are enemy only. You are asura only. Because as the Kali is going, we are our own enemies. No? Because we are our biggest. Adada chalra. Asmat Vairi. Our enemies should be killed. So people who follow adharma should be killed. People who follow dharma, they are requesting her to say like, people who follow adharma should be killed. You destroy them. Like how Nishumba Shumba and all she destroyed. No? Like that you destroy all those people who do adharma, who live the adharmic way of life. They don't follow any kind of dharma, so destroy them. Asmadvairi vinashanam. Okay? Yevameya tvaya karyam.
Evameva tvaya karyam. Evameva tvaya karyam.
Asmadvairi vinashanam.
Asmadvairi vinashanam. Asmadvairi vinashanam.
Yevameva tvaya karyam asmadvairi vinashanam.
Evameva tvaya karyam asmadvairi vinashanam. Evameva tvaya karyam asmadvairi vinashanam.
So we will recite these three verses and then we'll read whatever we have learned. Okay. Pranadanam prasidatvam Devi Vishvartiharini Trailokya Vasinamidye Lokanam Varada Bhava Devyuvaja Varadaham Suragana Varam Yanmanasechatha Tam Vrunudvam Prayachami Jagatamupakaragam Devaujuh Sarvabadha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Kileshwari Trailokyasya Kileshwari Trailokyasya Akileshwari Sarvabadha Prashamanam Trailokyasya Kileshwari Yevameya tvaya karyam asmadvairi vinashanam. Okay, we will recite from 21. It's almost 40. We have done 20 verses. So from the verse 21. Damshtra karala vadane Shiro mala vibhushane Chamunde munda mathane Narayani namostute Lakshmi lajje mahavidye Shraddhe pushtisvade dhruve Mahavidye Narayani namostute Medhe saraswati vare Bhuti babhravitamasi Niyate tvam prasideshe Narayani namostute Sarvasvarupe sarveshe Sarvashakti samanvite Bhayebhyastrahino devi Durge devi namostute Yetatte vadanam saumyam Lochanatraya bhushitam Patu nas sarva bhitibhyas Katyayani namostute Jvala karala matyugramasesha sudanam Trishulam patu no bhiter Bhadrakali namostute Hinasti daitya tejamsi Svanena puryaya jagat Sa ghanta patu no devi Papebhyo nasutaniva Ashurasrukvasa pankaj Charchitaste karojvalah Shubhaya kadgho bhavatu Chandike tvam natavayam Roganaseshanapaham tushta Rushta tu kaman sakalanabishtan Tvamashritanam navipannaranam Tvamashritah hyasrayatam prayanti Yetat krutam yat kadanam tvayadhya Dharmadvisham devi mahasuranam रूपैरनेकैर्बहुधात्ममूर्तिं कृत्वाम्बिके तत्प्रकरोति कान्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकदीपेषु वाद्येषु वाक्येषु च का त्वदन्या मम त्वगर्तेति महान्धकारे विभ्रामयत्येतत् अतीव विश्वम् रक्षांसि यत्रोग्रविशाश्च नागा यत्रारयो तस्युबलानि यत्र दावानलो यत्र तदाब्धिमध्ये तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वेश्वरी त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वात्मिका धारयसीति विश्वम् विश्वेशवन्द्या भवती भवन्ति विश्वाश्रया ये त्वयि भक्तिनम्राः देवी प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिबीते नित्यं यदा सुरवदात् अधुनैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगदां प्रशमं नयाशु उत्पादपाकजनितांश्च महोपसर्गान् प्रणतानां प्रसीद त्वं देवी विश्वातिहारिणी त्रैलोक्यवासिनामीड्ये लोकानां वरदा भव देव्योवाच वरदाहं सुरगणा वरं यन्मनसेच्छत तं वृणुध्वं प्रयच्छामि जगतामुपकारकम् देवावूचोः सर्वबाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेतत्त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम् गुरुभ्यो नमः।